So we went to Karde beach for a ride post this year's monsoon season. The lure of the beach was tempting us. It had been a long time the group had traveled together, and this time we were 18. The highest number of riders at a time in our group.
Hey guys, so today we are riding to Dapoli and we have 15,000cc motorcycles today with us. We have Fat Boy, the Ninja 1000 SX, Tiger 800, TRK 502, the Street 750, Ankitka, the Versus 650, the Gang. And we have a Street Twin 900, the KTM 390 ADV. Oh, this is from our late trip.
नहीं मेरे
We
लिए
have a BMW GS 310 and a Bobby bike, another Fat Boy 103, and the Triumph Thunderbird LT. It belongs to this guy.
I decided to take the Ninja along this time, since I had not taken her out for a long time. The Ninja is a different animal. It's the most underrated liter class motorcycle available in India or probably in the world. It's an awesome sports tourer and she does what she does. Riding is all about the torque curve, and the Ninja 1000 SX has a solid flat torque available from 2000 RPM. I don't think there are riders who have extracted the last bit of juice from this motorcycle, at least in India. If you know someone, please let me know. Coming back to the ride, the roads were in good condition, the weather was pristine. I was expecting it to be hot, since we went in the October heat, but it was pretty okay. The Tamhini Ghat is awesome to ride. The curves offer a lot of fun to the rider, and your skill is really tested. Tamhini has its own charm when it comes to the landscapes. We are almost on the edge of the Sahyadris and Konkan belt. This time too, it did not disappoint. I always love riding in this section. It offers a lot for everyone. Scenic landscapes, mountains on one side, steep cliffs on the other. The roads have been widened and conditions are way better than in the past. Fast corners as well as tight slow corners. It is quite technical. The Ninja has to be wrestled a bit since the front end is a bit on the heavier side. I have developed a knack for riding her the way she is. Although the tires need to be changed now. I have done 14k on the Vredstein Centauros so far, probably extracting the last bit from them. I did suffer a puncture on the way back, but I got safely back home. As we began the descent, we were greeted by a wall of fog and clouds. It often feels mysterious riding in the clouds. There's some chill in the air. The visibility is low. The roads are good, and one wishes to throw caution to the wind and accelerate into the distance, only to be reminded by our mind to slow down a bit lest you land yourself in a problem. This is the after effect of the rainy season. As the weather cools, the moist air develops into a fog. I love this kind of weather. Some more cloudy riding for you. Just enjoy the scenery and the mystique nature. We all got excited and everyone started asking whether I was recording this on the camera. It just came out great. Once we descended into the Konkan belt, we left the hustle and bustle of Mangaon behind and joined the Mumbai-Goa highway. Road work is going on and it's never ending, but we decide to enjoy whatever comes our way. Such is life. Take it 1 mile or kilometer at a time. You never know when the roads are gonna get bad. Just throttle out. We then turned off into Mahad and went via Latwa onwards to Dapoli and Karde. The roads continue to be curvy and somewhat dangerous if you are not careful. The rains are over and the green, which is slowly turning to yellow, has taken over. It feels like you are riding in the savannah or the Serengeti. The sea of grass on both sides of the road makes it difficult to see vehicles approaching on the narrow road. While my mind was wandering into the beauty of the landscape, there were real-world problems. Jeetu Bhai's Harley has a small tank, so need to check with him if he needs to refuel. Once confirmed he has enough fuel, I am ready to go back into my own world of thoughts. I just wonder sometimes, is it fun to ride in a group or is it fun to go alone? Although I haven't ridden solo over bigger tours, but I sometimes feel that riding solo will offer me much more than riding in a group. Riding in a group has its own challenges. You need to listen to the underbelly of the group. Keep a watch on anyone who is a rebel and create trouble. I am myself a rebel, but there can be only one in a group. I love the feeling of the bike jumping ahead with a flick of the throttle. But I do wonder why I am doing this. Is it just for the sake of riding? I get that question a lot. What do you get from it? I can just say that the feeling cannot be explained. It is not freedom, nor is it about running away from anything. It is always about running towards something. For me, it is also about improving my riding technique and checking whether I am better than yesterday. It's a constant struggle. Did I take that corner well? Did I brake in time? Could I brake later? Could I carry more speed into the corner? Will the tires perform or will they give? Can I lean some more? Can I attain more speed? It is all about improvement. Can I get better control of the motorcycle as I ride? A quick refuel and hydration stop, and we are on our way to Karde. We reached the hotel and settled down for some well-deserved beer. In the evening, we took a walk on the beach and then decided to spend time at the poolside. The water was inviting and we obliged. The next morning, I decided to take some drone shots. I love flying the drone and the feeling that I can view the landscape from a bird's eye. I can see what otherwise is not visible from the ground. My riding buddies obliged by posing in front of the drone. I need to practice flying the drone so I get really good at it. At the same time, I am scared that I might lose it if it hits something. I need to get rid of that fear. After some breakfast and chill time, it was time for us to return back home. We left the hotel and started our journey back. We went back by the same road we came. This time though, I was leading and rode really well to reach Mahad. The return journey always casts a spell of sadness. We are going back to our world where we came from. We detached for a little while and forgot all our responsibilities. Tomorrow is another day, a new ride and a new day at office. We just live one day at a time. One should learn to enjoy the present and live in the present because that is a gift. The past is gone and the future is unknown. What I know now is that I have my bike and I can twist the throttle as much as I can. The wind in my face and the unknown roads taking me to my destination. The last leg of our journey, we witnessed the fury of Mother Nature. There were black clouds gathering in the Tamhini, and we were riding right into a storm. The going was gonna be slow, and we had to be really careful. The weekend traffic was in full force, and the road could as well be slippery. If you came this far in the video, I am guessing you like the storytelling. I will have some more stories to tell and some more rides to cover in the future. To stay connected, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.